Hello my dear students, I hope you are fine and safe. I welcome you all in this video. In previous video, we talked about the second part of the story, the Talkative Barber. We read that the barber was keep on talking for a long time and he had not touched the head of the Sultan more than 3-4 times. He was just busy in talking. He wanted to know the reason why the Sultan was in a hurry. The Sultan got angry at Barber many times, but Barber था कि उसको कोई फर्क ही नहीं पड़ रहा था। वो तो बस ये जानना चाह रहा था कि सुल्तान को किस अर्जेंट वर्क के लिए बाहर जाना था। Now, let's move to read the third and the last part of the story. The Sultan was completely fed up now, and he decided that he told the Barber why he was in a hurry. सुल्तान को बार्बर को बता देना ही ठीक लगा कि क्यों वो जल्दी जाना चाह रहा था। The Sultan had invited some of his friends for a feast at afternoon. That's why he wanted to go quickly. इतना सुनते ही बार्बर बोल पड़ा कि उसने भी अपने कुछ फ्रेंड्स को एक फीस्ट के लिए अपने घर पे बुलाया था और वो उसकी प्रिपरेशन करना भूल गया। अब सुल्तान को बार्बर पर दया आ गई और वो उससे छुटकारा पाने के लिए कुछ भी करने को तैयार था। He told to the barber that finish the shaving quickly and after that he provide all the food which he had got prepared for his friends. अब बताइए आगे क्या होगा? बार्बर पहले शेविंग करेगा या कुछ और? After listening this, the barber told the Sultan to show all the food so that he checked that the food was enough for his friends or not. The Sultan replied that he had enough food for him, but then also he ordered that all the food prepared in the palace brought in front of him. After the order of Sultan, all the food was brought in front of the barber. He looked at the food thoroughly. After all the observation of food, the barber said that the whole food was good, but he wanted some fruits for dessert. Dessert means a sweet dish. The Sultan, who was completely desperate, since his head was half-shaped, ordered that the fruit should also brought in front of Barber. अब सुल्तान बार्बर से पूरी तरह से परेशान हो चुका था, लेकिन ना तो बार्बर जा रहा था और ना ही शेविंग कंप्लीट कर रहा था। When the fruit brought in front of him, he started checking each dish one by one, and it took half an hour. अब सुल्तान अपना धैर्य खो चुका था और वो इधर से उधर चहलकदमी कर रहा था। The barber was in no hurry. बार्बर को तो कोई जल्दी थी ही नहीं, जल्दी तो सुल्तान को थी। After a long time, the barber took up the razor, but after a few minutes of shaving, he stopped his work and started crying and said the Sultan that he never knew that the Sultan was so kind and generous. बार्बर ने कहा कि वो बिल्कुल नहीं जानता था कि सुल्तान इतना दयालु है। देखा आपने कि बार्बर ने सिर्फ बातें ही की और अपना काम तो किया ही नहीं। ऐसा हमारे साथ भी हो जाता है कि बातों के आगे हमें याद ही नहीं रहता कि हमें क्या जरूरी वर्क करना है। I hope you understood and enjoyed the story. After this, let's move to question and answers. The first question is, why was the Sultan in a hurry? The answer is, the Sultan was in a hurry because he was giving a feast to some of his friends. Second question is, for what purpose the barber wanted a lot of food? The answer is, the barber wanted a lot of food because he had invited some of his friends for party. Third question is, what did the Sultan do to get rid of the talkative barber? The answer is, the Sultan had given all the food to the barber which was prepared for his friends. Fourth question is, according to the barber, which kind of man was the Sultan? Answer is, according to the barber, the Sultan was kind and generous. Next and last question is, Did the king get his head shaved in the end? The answer is no, the Sultan did not get his head shaved in the end. I hope you understood all the questions and their answers. After this, let's move for today's homework. The first question is, write true or false. According to the understanding of the chapter, you have to write true or false for the given sentences. Next question is, if you were at the place of Sultan, what would you do? Next and the last question is, although the food was good, why do you think the Barber asked for some fruits also for dessert? Dear student, I hope you liked today's video. Again we will meet with something new. So keep on watching and enjoying videos. Till then, thank you. Bye bye. Take care.